Begin in Samasthiti, equal standing. Now Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, hands up, look up. Exhale, bend forward to Uttanasana. Inhale, head up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step both legs back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, roll up to Urdhva Mukha Swan. Exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep engage your abdominal lock and root lock. Gaze towards navel. Stay 3 to 5 breaths here. Inhale, bend your knee. Step both legs forward. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale all the way up. Looks up. Exhale, arms down to Samasthiti. Second round. Inhale 1. Exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale 3, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale 4, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale 6, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay 3 to 5 breaths here. Just loose entire joint and muscles. Just be there. Knee bend. Now inhale 7. Again Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward to Uttanasana. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to Samasthiti. One more round. Inhale, hands up. Look up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, head up. Look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale to downward dog. Just watch your breath here, incoming and outgoing. Inhale 7 to Ardha Uttanasana. Step both legs forward. Exhale Uttanasana. Inhale, hands up, look up. Exhale to Samasthiti. Now Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, knee bend to Utkatasana. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale to Adho Mukha Swan. Inhale, step right leg forward. Veerbhadrasana 1. Exhale, again Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Swan. Exhale, Adho Mukha Swan. Inhale, step left leg forward. Veerbhadrasana 1. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale to Adho Mukha Swan. Stay here. Relax your breath. Keep engage your all lock. Inhale, step both legs forward to Ardha Uttanasana again. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, knee bend to Utkatasana. chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Again, inhale, Utkatasana 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3, head up. Exhale, 4. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, 5. Urdhva Mukha Swan. Exhale, 6. Adho Mukha Swan. Inhale, step right leg forward 2. Veerbhadrasana 1. Warrior 1 pose. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Swan. Inhale, 11. Left leg. Veerbhadrasana 1. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana 12. Inhale, 13. Urdhva Mukha Swan. Exhale, 14 to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Be relaxed here. Try to relax your breath, more even breathing. Just lose your all joint. Inhale, 15. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, 16. Inhale, 17. Utkatasana. Exhale to Samasthiti. Now be ready for Pada Angushthasana. Inhale, feet hip width apart, hands on waist. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, bend forward and catch big toes. Inhale, spine lengthen. Exhale, bend forward to Pada Angushthasana. Stay 5 breaths here and fix your gaze on tips of nose, Nashagra Drishti. Inhale, head up, lengthen your spine. Now exhale, hand under the feet. Again, inhale, spine open. While exhale, bend forward to Padhastasana, hands under feet pose. Keep your kneecap and thigh engaged, abdominal inside. Just even breathing. After 5 breaths, inhale, head up, hands on waist, come all the way up, Samasthiti. Now Trikonasana. Inhale, bring your feet 4 to 5 feet apart. Right foot 90-degree angle. Inhale, extended arms out. Exhale, move forward and place your right palm on right leg or grab big toes. Now raise your left hand and fix your gaze. Make sure your both shoulders should be in one line and chest lifted. Stay 5 breaths in Trikonasana. Now inhale, come back and repeat to other side. This time left foot 90-degree angle. Just fix your gaze at right hands this time. Keep your chest lifted. Now inhale, come back, Samasthiti. Now side angle pose, Parshva Konasana. Again bring your feet 4 to 5 feet apart, turn right foot right side. Inhale, bend your knee at 90 degree. Exhale, place right hand on outer edge of right foot or on block. Fix gaze toward raised hand. Make sure your ankle and knees should be in one line and chest lifted. Stay 3 to 5 breaths, then comes back and repeat it left side. Bending into left knee. Place left hand on outer edge of left foot. Gaze towards raised hand. Soften your breath. Feel the sensation. Comes back to Samasthiti. Now Prasarit Padottanasana, Prakar 1, Variation A. Bring feet 4 to 5 feet apart, hands to waist. Inhale, bend your back. While exhale, fold forward, hands on floor. Again, inhale, lift your head, extended spine. While exhale, bend forward to Prasarit Padottanasana. Stay 5 to 10 breaths here. And keep your kneecap and thigh lifted so that you can feel opening on spine more. Never try to force yourself. Inhale, hands to waist. Lift up with straight spines. Comes back to Samasthiti. Bring feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn right side with right foot 90 degree. Ankle and left slightly inside. Inhale, hands up. While exhale, fold forward to Parshvattanasana. Keep your kneecap, thigh engaged. Your ankle, knee and thigh should be in one line. Stay 5 breaths here. Inhale, comes back and just repeat it other side. Again, inhale, hands up and keep your spine straight and bend forward to Parshvattanasana. Make your finger folded so that you can feel more stretch on Parshvattanasana. After 3 to 5 breaths, comes back to Samasthiti. Now again, Surya Namaskar A, sun salutation A. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, head up, spine lengthen. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, very slowly drop. Inhale, up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, knee bend and sit on the mat with leg straight. Now put hands to the ground. Now inhale, hands up, exhale, bend forward and catch your big toes. Inhale again, head up, keep your spine lengthened. Exhale, complete forward bend to Paschimottanasana. Just soft your breath. Now inhale, comes up. Now Purvottanasana. From Dandasana, bring hands behind back. Inhale, lift hip, stretch leg and toes to the ground. Hold 5 breaths here. Keep your pelvis lifted and toes pointed. After 5 breath, come back and take vinyas here. Exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Swan, while exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now again knee bend and sit and be ready for Janu Sirsasana A. From Dandasana, put right foot at inside of left thigh. Inhale, raise both hands, while exhale, fold forward to Janu Sirsasana A. Especially in Janu Sirsasana, you need surrender nature. Just loosen your all muscles and effort, and keep stretch your shoulder and arms. After staying 5 breaths, inhale, hands up, come back. Now change to other side. Again, hands up, lengthen your spine here. Keep your spine open while exhale to Janu Sirsasana A. Feel the stretching on your hands and shoulder also. Keep engage your abdominal lock. Especially abdominal lock helps you to deepen in your Janu Sirsasana. Now take vinyas here. Again knee bend and sit and be ready for Marichayasana A. Bend your right leg, put right arms around your right knee, clasp hands behind back, inhale spine open, exhale bend forward. Especially here engage your abdominal lock and chin to chin. Just keep engage your ankle inside. You may practice it other way. Inhale up, exhale, twist to left side, and again stay 3 to 5 breath here. Comes back and repeat it other side. For advanced students, you may take vinyas here again. Now other side. And your left feet should be hips distance line. Then you can move forward easily. Now after Marichayasana twist, take vinyas. Inhale to Dandasana, exhale Chaturanga Dand. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Swan, exhale to Adho Mukha Swan. Now knee bend and sit. Now preparation for Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose. Turn soles of feet apart from each other, push heels together. Inhale, spine straight, chest lifted, and keep your root lock engaged. Exhale, fold forward to Baddha Konasana, navel to heels and chin to floor. And with the help of your elbow, try to do deeper stretch on outer thigh. Inhale, comes back and be ready for Purna Navasana, full boat pose variation with knee bended. Inhale, lift your legs, make knee bended. If you feel comfort, make it straight, hand parallel to floor, and keep your spine straight, chest lifted, Stay 5 breath. Exhale, place palms on floor and lift body up. Again, Purna Navasana. All time make sure your chest should be lifted and spine straight. Again, exhale, palms on floor and lift body up. Repeat one more time. Feel the sensation on navel area, Manipur chakra. Now exhale to Vinyas. Take Vinyas here. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha Swan. Exhale Adho Mukha Swan, down dog pose. Now knee bend and lay down on back. Now knees bend and bring feet in towards buttock. Inhale, lift your pelvis and place palms onto floor by ears. Inhale, press up, lifting pelvis and strengthen arms and legs to Urdhva Dhanurasana. Your pubic bones engage and chest lifted and head drop. Slowly come down. You may practice it 2-3 times. Now knee to chest position and roll to Vinyas here again. Dandasana. Exhale Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Swan and exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now knee bend and sit for counter position Paschimottanasana. Again once more time. Inhale, hands up, while exhale, bend forward. Complete stretch your hands here. Inhale again, head up, lengthen your spine, while exhale, bend fully forward and stay 5 to 15 breath here. Keep your abdominal engaged. Now come back and now lie down for finishing asana. Sarvangasana first. Being from a lie down position, inhale, lift legs upward, place hands on back as close to shoulder as possible, elbows to each other, chin to chest. If comfort, inhale and raise legs directly overhead. Relax your face. Stay here and do 1 to 15 Ujjayi breath and fix your gaze on toes. Now exhale and brings leg overhead towards floor and hips slowly down and lie down position. Just relax here few seconds. And now preparation for Matsyasana, fish pose. Bring your palms under your hips, arms close to body. Inhale, lift chest and bring top of head to floor. Chest lifted and toes pointed. Stay 5 to 10 breath in Matsyasana, fish pose. And because this time your lungs is completely open, so make sure your breath should be even and long. Now inhale, lift your head and come back to Savasana. Just relax here. Now knees to chest pose and roll and take again vinyas here. From Adho Mukha Asana, knee bend and sit for Yoga Mudrasana. Inhale, bring right foot up into half lotus position and left leg over right into full lotus pose. Now bring your arms back and catch left wrist. Exhale, bend forward to Yoga Mudra. Stay 5 to 15 breath here. Comes back to Padmasana position, and if possible bring your hands behind back and try to grab feet to Baddha Padmasana first, and then exhale and bend forward to Yoga Mudrasana. This is energy storing posture, so just be relaxed here. Inhale, come back and just sit in Padmasana, hands to knees, forefinger and thumbs touching in Jnana Mudra. Exhale, lift chest and bring chin towards chest. Sit straight and engage all three bandha, root lock, abdominal lock and chin lock. Listen your Ujjayi breath here. More slow and deep even breathing. And feel relaxation. After 5 to 15 breath, comes back for Utpaluti, uprooting. Inhale, press palm to floor. Still in full lotus. Lift up off floor and knees up. Gaze fixed at nose or Nashagra Drishti. Stay 5 to 15 breath here. Then comes back and lie down for final Savasana. Bring your feet 12 to 20 each apart. Arms at your side, a few inches away from the torso. Palms up. Surrender the full weight of your body to gravity here. Anywhere you feel you are holding, just lose it and rest your awareness on your breath. Simply know an in-breath as an in-breath, an out-breath as an out-breath. Just scan the body slowly. Just watch each and every part of your entire body. Just scan here. If mind wanders, bring it back to the breath and the body. Just be relaxed here. just relax, just relax.